Hey everyone, welcome back to Wonderful Relationship, the go-to place for decoding the mysteries of human connection. Today, we're diving into an intriguing topic: how to leverage reverse psychology to make women think about you nonstop. But before we jump in, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe, and ring the notification bell so you never miss our insightful content. Now, let's unravel the art of mind games and how to use them to capture her thoughts. Segment 1. Understanding reverse psychology. First things first, let's demystify reverse psychology. It's not about manipulation, but rather a subtle approach to influence someone's thoughts by going against their expectations. Think of it as a mental chess game where the goal is to make her think about you without her even realizing it. The key? Authenticity. Any mind game should be lighthearted and respectful, ensuring a genuine connection. Segment 2. The power of unpredictability. Now, let's explore the first tactic, the power of unpredictability. People are naturally drawn to mystery and unpredictability. Instead of following predictable patterns, mix things up. If you're usually the first to text, try holding back a bit. Create a sense of curiosity by keeping her guessing. It's a subtle way to occupy her thoughts, wondering about your next move. Segment 3. The art of indifference. Moving on to the art of indifference. It might sound counterintuitive, but sometimes, showing a bit of indifference can spark intrigue. This doesn't mean being rude or disinterested, but rather allowing a bit of mystery to surround your actions. If she expects you to react a certain way, surprise her with a calm and collected response. It's a psychological nudge that can linger in her thoughts. Segment 4. Creating scarcity. Scarcity is a powerful motivator, and it applies to the dating game too. Instead of being always available, create scarcity. Limit your availability, and let her wonder about your other commitments and interests. This not only adds value to your time, but also sparks the desire to be part of the limited access club. It's a subtle way to make her think about you more frequently. Segment 5. The curiosity gap. Now, let's talk about the curiosity gap. Humans are naturally curious beings. Create a gap in her knowledge about you, not by being secretive, but by strategically revealing aspects of yourself over time. Share interesting stories or passions gradually, leaving her intrigued and wanting to know more. It's a gradual process that keeps her thoughts engaged. Segment 6. The contrarian approach. The contrarian approach is another tool in your reverse psychology arsenal. Politely challenge her opinions or play devil's advocate in a conversation. This doesn't mean constant disagreement, but introducing a different perspective. It stimulates intellectual engagement and leaves a lasting impression, making her contemplate your unique viewpoints. Segment 7. Flirting with withdrawal. Flirting with withdrawal involves the subtle art of stepping back when things are going well. If the conversation is flowing smoothly, unexpectedly withdraw a bit. This creates a vacuum that she might feel compelled to fill, sparking a loop of thoughts about you. It's a delicate dance, but when done right, it can be a powerful psychological trigger. Segment 8. The mystery of unpredictable compliments. Now, let's unravel the mystery of unpredictable compliments. Instead of the usual, throw in unexpected compliments. Make them specific and genuine, catching her off guard. This leaves a lasting impression and makes her wonder what inspired such unique praise. It's a delightful twist that lingers in her thoughts long after the conversation ends. Segment 9. Planting seeds of intrigue. Planting seeds of intrigue involves dropping subtle hints about your life, hobbies, or experiences without fully disclosing them. It creates an air of mystery and leaves her wanting to uncover more about you. This psychological game taps into the natural human curiosity, making her thoughts revolve around the enigma that is you. Segment 10. The subtle art of forgetting. Last but not least, let's explore the subtle art of forgetting. Occasionally forgetting minor details in your conversations can be strategic. It creates a gentle challenge for her to correct you or fill in the gaps. This engagement not only shows you're genuinely listening, but also keeps her actively thinking about your interactions. And there you have it, a deep dive into the world of reverse psychology and how to use it to make women think about you nonstop. Remember, these tactics should always be approached with authenticity and respect. The goal is to create a genuine connection and intrigue, not to manipulate. If you found these insights helpful, don't forget to hit the like button, share your thoughts in the comments, and subscribe for more mind-boggling content. It's been a pleasure decoding the art of capturing thoughts with you. Until next time, keep those mental chess pieces moving. See you in the next video. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you never miss our upcoming content. Your support means everything to us. Stay tuned, and see you soon.